It's cold outside, and the paint's spilling off of my walls. There's a man outside in a long coat, grey hat, smoking a cigarette. Now the light fades out, and I wonder what I'm doing in a room like this. There's a knock on the door, and just for a second I thought I remembered you. So now I'm alone. Now I can think for myself about little deals and SUs, the things that I just don't understand. Like a white lie that night, or a sly touch at times. I don't think it meant anything to you. So I open the door. It's the friend that I left in the hallway. Please sit down. A candlelit shadow on the wall near the bed. To ask, but our friend's electric. Only mine's broke down, and now I've no one to love.
Phone calls and smiles, and it hurts and I'm lonely and I should never have tried, and I missed you tonight, so it's time to leave. You see, it meant everything to me.